Hey Lawn Dogs, Floyd with Ulnar Lawn Care, UlnarLawnCare.com. Hey, we're going to take down some of the Christmas lights or the holiday lighting that we installed before the holidays last year, and it's time to start taking stuff down. But we're doing we're heading to the farthest one away, up in Baldwin. Normally don't go that far, but it was a special circumstance, and as long as that circumstance still keeps going in play, we'll keep making that trip. But that is one and only thing. Anyway, I'm going to be back and talk to you in a minute as soon as YouTube plays my intro. So why don't you go ahead and do that, YouTube? So hey, wanted to talk to you a little bit while I was driving up there about possibly changing my YouTube channel name. Not so much that I don't want the Ulnar in it, lawn care, but we're gonna do so much more. You know, the holiday lighting, the plowing, and my adventures outdoors just here in Michigan. So it's becoming bigger than just lawn care. So I don't know, I'm spitballing names. If you watch some of my live streams on Lawn Dog Coffee, by the way, every Monday and Wednesday at 9 a.m. we're live. Watch those, and we're kind of been spitballing some ideas on there. But that's gonna happen soon. I just don't know what. Yeah, I'm still working on a name. Mike from MBG Adventures wants me to do FU Adventures for Floyd and Ulnar Adventures, but I'm not going to do FU Adventures, so don't even comment below, Mike. That's not happening. Anyway, yeah, so that's coming down the pipeline. So just to give you guys a heads up. If you guys got any ideas, comment below. Let me know what you think what's a good idea. You know, I got Floyd, what I go by, my name's Jeff. Ulnar Lawn Care, Ulnar Holiday Lighting. We do snow plowing and other stuff. So see if you guys can come up with a name. Sorry, I had a hiccup there. Let me know. But I'm heading up there to take down these lights. You're gonna be super impressed at this level of skill work I'm getting ready to do. So watch this video. It should go pretty easy. But anyway, all right. Here's some video of me taking down the store in Baldwin.
I ain't got no money the first week of the month. Right up into orbit, my chicks they all abound. My landlord thinks a problem, a rent being overdue. What possible solution? I haven't got a clue. But at the end of the day, at the end of the day, yeah, it's all that matters. All I pray, just to feel good at the end of the day. I've loaned on my possessions, all that I can claim. I ain't got a single penny to my name. My neighbor says he's bothered by what I cannot see. Says that I can launder falls what clothes should be. But at the end of the day, the end of the day, so that just to feel good at the end of the day. At the end of the day, you gotta feel good at the end of the day. It's all that matters. Oh, I pray just to feel good at the end of the day.
So long, dogs. That's it for this store, Houseman's up in Baldwin. All this stuff will be marked, put in storage till next year. It'll be marked for this place so it don't get used anywhere else. The only thing that would change is if the customer wants me to change anything for next year. But as of right now, this is everything. I'll put those in there, and those will get marked and hung up and put in a shop somewhere, and that box will be thrown up in the shop. I will get all that snow off. I will put nothing away wet, so that snow will somehow, I'll get it to a spot where it can melt off and those can dry up. But anyway, hey, let's it's cold out here. Let's get in the truck and drive back to White Cloud and get that one knocked out. All right, I'll be back. I'm gonna put the stuff in the way. Hey, lawn dogs, hope you like that footage. I want to give a quick shout out, if you're watching this and you're in the Fremont area, to Dave's Auto Clinic. This truck was in the shop the other day. Wheel bearing was going out, and I noticed a vibration in the tire after I plowed the first time, and they took care of it for me, and Dave's working it out with me, and I'm telling you, he worked it out with me, and this truck is, I don't think it's run better since I've owned it. So I tell you, if you need some work done on your vehicles, go to Dave's. It's behind Bill's Shop and Save there, off of Main Street. I forget the name of the road they're on, but anyway, they're back there. Check them out, man. You know, I'm sure there's people out there gonna bash it and say, oh, they've done a crappy job, but I personally, I will recommend them. Dave has been nothing but stellar to me. His front office lady there, she's been outstanding, and so is the employees working inside the garage. So shout out, Dave. Thank you so much, man. This truck is running great right now. Man, I'm excited. All right, let's get to the other story. So hey, Long Dogs, we're on the next one on top on the roof. I'm gonna leave my Venom mask on just because it's a little chilly and windy up here. It's helping keeping me a little warm. Because someone forgot their stocking hat. Anyway, we're gonna get these lights down right here. So let's do this. Well, Lawn Dogs, that is it. I got the boxes right here, and I'm gonna let those couple things dry out in my garage. Anyways, yeah, it's a mess. And once they dry out, I'm gonna bring them to the shop, put them up, store them for the year till next year. Get the boxes marked with my label maker inside. All right, well, hope you enjoyed that. As always, remember, give maximum effort and be kind to everyone. Floyd, I'm out.